Wow, we have a tuxedo here. 1970 Chevelle, black with pearl white stripes, 454, making 600 horsepower under the hood, 4-speed transmission, and frame off restored. 1,455 miles on it since it's been done. Thing is a killer. Go to volocars.com. You can find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag, including this one, and even a monthly payment to make it easier as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's laser straight, better than it was when it was new. Has the cowl induction hood with an actual working flapper door, has the hood pins, and this fits beautifully up by the headlight buckets, both sides. They never fit right there. It is square. Doors are square and flush, all clean, rust-free, laser beam straight metal. Opens easy. I try to show off sometimes. I gotta do a little harder. Nice and solid, and that's with the windows up. The roof is straight, quarter panels are straight, dry, clean all the way to the bottom. Trunk lines up square and flush, no bubbles or issues, no cracking that I see. All in excellent shape. All the way down here, it's like a mirror. Beautiful. Lines up real nicely. Nice, solid, no rattles. Clean, straight. Rockers are clean. Fenders line up beautifully. Yeah, really, these headlight buckets fit the hood. There's a curve here. Both sides are spot on. You rarely see that. Now it's tuxedo black, which is polished like glass. The stripes have a little bit of pearl. They're metallic white, buried under the clear. You don't feel them, but they are painted the correct dimensions. The black paint is color sanded like a piece of glass. There are a few minor imperfections. Just a few little pimples right there. A few little chips along the bottom, which easy to touch up in black. They have been touched up, but virtually a flawless paint job. Virtually. All the trim looks like it's been replaced. The stainless, all the rubber seals, door handles. All new glass. It's smoked glass. It doesn't have the stick-on tint. It's all new smoked glass. Look how nice it fits. So the tail end comes around. The bumper, the emblems, the pad, all that's been replaced. Again, pearl white stripes done correctly, correct dimensions. The wheels, which you just seen a minute ago, they're American Racing, but they're made to mimic the original SS wheels. It's a modern version of that. They look like they are 17s, and they are, with some Nitto performance tires. New mirror. And then up front, the grille, bumper, all of that's been replaced. So why don't we open it up? I bet you're dying to see that 454. All right, let's look inside a beautiful trunk. Under the trunk lid is slick gloss black, has the stickers. The jam is slick, the weather strips replaced. Now inside here isn't just your typical spatter finish out of a can. It is sprayed and then it's clear coated, which makes it much more durable. Not going to get that surface rust in there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to see the videos as they're posted. Do visit volocars.com. There's so much more than just cars, but we do have 200 classic cars for sale. Now the jams are painted real slick. The latches look fresh. The weather strips are new and they fit right. Sill plates are new. Now the interior is all replaced. That whole door panel, armrest, window cranks, handles, door lock, all new, and it fits right too. The way stuff fits is half the battle. This whole dash is in really nice shape. All new instrument panel, new knobs, all new factory SS gauges with the tachometer. That's the miles on the car since it was restored, 1,455. The vents have been replaced, upgraded with classic auto air electronic controls instead of the old cables. Has a retro stereo right in the dash. Now down below does have some auto gauges. A lot of people feel they're more reliable than the old reproduction gauges. So with having as much money in the motor as he did, he figured he'd have those as well. Again, dash pad, vents, all redone. Kick panels have six, looks like about a 6-inch round speaker in each one. SS embroidered mats over the new carpet. A complete set of reproduction seat belts. Still has a little plastic protective coating over the GM emblem. That's how fresh they are. 4-speed Hurst shifter. All new reproduction console. Seats are totally rebuilt. Feel like a new seat. Nice new cushions. And when all that is redone, then the seat covers fit so much better, like in this case. Headrests are new, the chrome trim, the seat backs, all that's been replaced. Seat belts in the back. Boy, I don't know if that's new. That looks like a really good original seat belts in the back. The back seats upholstered. Side panels are all new. Window cranks are new. Has the mesh shelf in the back. Then the headliner's all replaced and fits tight as a drum. Got working dome light. Shoulder belts, matching new visors, new mirror. We got a nice rosewood deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. So yeah, really, really nice inside. You got that 4-speed to hang on to. The interior lights work even at the back of the console. This car will come with a folder stuffed with paperwork. Now under the hood is a 454, claimed to be making about 600 horsepower. The block was blasted, baked, pressure tested, decked, bored, and honed with a torque plate. Has roller timing, roller cam, and roller rocker arms. On top is a set of aluminum Edelbrock heads, aluminum Edelbrock intake, and then they decided to go with a dual feed Holley carburetor. Looks like it's polished, has electric choke. GM Performance HEI ignition system. And a really nice set of tall, polished aluminum valve covers. Plug wires are run neatly. Some nice jet-coated headers. And all the metal surfaces are painted very nicely. All new heat and air system. Got Delco battery topper, new cables with a disconnect switch. Radiators new. Everything up in front of it is all painted and nice, and the shroud is new. Does have, looks like new pulleys, a billet timing cover, new alternator, new power steering. Actually looks like all new wiring harness as well. Power brakes look all new, has a cadmium plated booster, wiper motors new, squirters are hooked up. Now the cowl induction hood has a vacuum and it has an electric actuator inside there. There's actually 2 doors, the one you see and there's one inside you don't see. Then under the hood is all nice satin black with the hood insulation. So really nice motor compartment. And air, 600 horsepower, power steering, power brakes. What more do you need? Well, Michael's going to take you for a run and see how that motor performs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. It's a gorgeous Chevelle here today, frame off restoration. Yeah, it's a really good quality paint job. Looks gorgeous. At a quick glance, of course. Yeah, this thing is just laser straight. Just everything's new on it. And you got the bucket seats. They're freshly reupholstered. I think they even got new cushion in them too. They feel pretty supportive. Nice center console here with the 4-speed shifter. Everything's done underneath on the car. It's got a 454 under the hood. Supposed to be making 600 horsepower. I mean, it's just a sweet ride. Cowl induction hood, the hood pins, and the racing stripes. I mean, this is just air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. The area is on right now and running. It's disc brakes as well. Triple meter underneath there on top of your regular gauges. But yeah, let's see what she's got. I'm excited. All right. And just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Yeah, she's got what it takes. I like this one a lot. It's a great build, really sound motor, nice, smooth, consistent. See how she goes down the road here. Beautiful alignment. I mean, I could seriously take a nap right now. Awesome. Yeah, our shop thought it was pretty awesome too. There were a couple minor kind of tinkering things that they went ahead and buttoned up on it, but no major service history on this one, with just 1,457 miles since the build was complete. Nice setup on the clutch here. Shifter goes into place easily. She's got that air on low and it's like, it's super cold. Good stuff there. So yeah, come out, test drive it for yourself. This one's a winner. Someone's gonna love it. Absolutely. Get in, hit up the cruise nights. Yeah, you're gonna catch a lot of attention with this one. Contact our sales department if you want to come out and do that, though. Please just give us about 24-hour notice at least. And yeah, you can spend as much time with the car as you'd like. And yeah, we encourage you to do that. And on top of it, it's a lot of fun. And we also encourage you to check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.
You know what? Underneath this car is as nice as the top. It looks so fresh and detailed. Body was off the frame. The floors are spotless and painted. The frame, all the chassis is painted. It has the F41 suspension. That's boxed rear control arms, front and rear sway bars. All of the suspension and steering is completely rebuilt. All new fuel system, the tank, the lines, the sending unit, all new brake system, their disc up front, so the calipers, the lines, the hoses, e-brake, all of that is new. Has a dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. Does have the stock SS tips going out the back. You look up at the motor, it's still like brand new Chevy orange. Has a high torque starter with a heat insulation wrapped around it. It's an M21 4-speed, that's all fresh. Clutch, all that was replaced. Rebuilt drive shaft going back to a 12-bolt rear end with 355 posi gears. So, I mean, this car's right. Nothing to apologize for here. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this bad boy in your driveway and how to get it financed if needed. Thanks for watching.